I'm actually a new employee of TBaytel, and it's a great honor to be a part of the Good Employees program. Today we're here at Castlegreen with the Neighbours Helping Neighbours program as part of the TBaytel Good Employees program. So today we have the honor of being here to help cook and prepare meals for the Neighbours Helping Neighbours program. We were able to purchase a freezer for the program in order for them to store their meals for the residents here at Castlegreen. The Neighbours Helping Neighbours program is truly inspiring. They give meals to people that may not afford them. They have the opportunity to provide these meals at no cost. It really goes a long way to have nutritious meals in your freezer that you can rely on even when times are tough. The committee was absolutely thrilled by hearing what the Neighbours Helping Neighbours program does for the community here at Castlegreen, and we knew that we could help make a difference. So like I said, it was a unanimous decision, and on behalf of the TBaytel for Good Employee program, we're so happy to be here, and thank you for all that you do.
I am Chief Cook and Bottle Washer of the Neighbours Helping Neighbour Community Cook, and it's a joy. We are so happy for the lovely freezer and the immersion blender and the mix master and all of the miscellaneous things that are making this massive undertaking easier. We started off the first time cooking 36 items, and this cook I anticipate will cook more than 600. When we moved to the hall, we sat down and agreed that we would price reasonably the food that we made, because a lot of seniors living alone here are low income, live just on a basic pension. So the food that they buy is all the best value that we can find for the food. And then when we make 600 items, 450 of them are purchased at that price. And the remainder sit in the freezer. At the end of the month, whomever is struggling can come and help themselves. We didn't want to not do the free food, otherwise we're not doing it. You know what, that's the point. The point is not everybody is as fortunate as I am or we are as a group. And we're here trying to help people to get to the end of the month, to get to payday, right? So when TBaytel came through, you saved the program. And TBaytel has bailed us out, you saved it. So of the 41 people, 9 people don't even live here. They don't need the food necessarily. They're older people, retired, looking for a place to come and meet people. Say again, thank you TBaytel for Good. Thank you employees for TBaytel for choosing us.